Welcome to the tutorial video on using the Simple Habit app. To get started, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Simple Habit. Then, download the app for free. Simple Habit is also available through web browser using Windows and Mac OS. Once downloaded, open the app on your device. You will then be prompted to answer a set of intake questions. Once this is completed, select some topics of interest to help the app generate a personalized plan. You can then proceed to create an account using Apple, Google, or an email address. On a mobile or tablet, the navigation panel on Simple Habit can be found at the bottom of your screen. It consists of 5 sections. The For You page curates a list of exercises that are recommended based on your activity and preferences. You can also view your progress by clicking the profile icon at the top left corner of the app. Please note that in order to view your progress, you must have a premium subscription. However, all users have the option to take part in a 7-day free trial. Your subscription can be cancelled at any time. The Meditate page contains a large selection of meditations tailored towards any need, such as sleep, stress, anxiety, focus, and healthy living. The Sleep page contains a selection of sounds, music, stories, and meditation plans to help improve your sleep. Although a good number of plans are available on the free version of the app, the premium version provides unlimited access to all content. The Move page provides a variety of mindful movement exercises that are intended to improve overall wellness. These exercises range anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes. This makes it suitable for a variety of lifestyles. The Search feature allows you to browse through any of Simple Habit's wellness plans from one place. On a web browser, the layout is a little different. The home page will provide you with some highly recommended options, while the rest of Simple Habit's wellness plans can be found using the Browse option. Your subscription and progress information can be accessed by selecting the profile icon at the top right corner of the web browser. To start using Simple Habit, navigate to the For You page and play the starter exercise to begin your first meditation course. Alternatively, you can browse other activities and plans using the Search feature or the Meditate, Sleep, and Move pages. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on using the Simple Habit app. For more information, please visit the resources below.